On December 26, 2004, a 9.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra. It triggered the deadliest tsunami in recorded history. 227,000 people in 14 countries were killed. The waves traveled at the speed of a commercial jetliner across the open ocean. Within minutes, walls of water reached 30 feet high along coastlines. Entire villages in Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and India disappeared. Many survivors describe hearing a sound like a freight train seconds before the wave arrived. There was no Indian Ocean tsunami warning system. None existed. People had between 15 and 30 minutes after the earthquake, and no way to know. Within 2 years, an international early warning network was built covering the entire ocean. The 2004 tsunami changed how the world prepares for the ocean. Follow natural disaster daily. Real events. Real history. Every day.